भ्रष्ट काँग्रेस आनी जातीवादी भाजपाक मतां घालूं नाकात असो उलो तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचो गोंयचो अध्यक्ष दोतोर विलीन मारला. गोंयांतली भलायकी सेवा सामकी काबार जाल्या. हाका लागून विश्वजितान राजिनामो दिवचो अशें दोतोर विलीन म्हणलां. भाजपा वा काँग्रेसीक सरकार करपाक तेंको लागलो जाल्यार भाजपाक मात आपूण कसोच तेंको दिवचो ना अशें विलीन मिडिया कडेन उलोवन दाखयलें.
Now, in 1 minute, you can show your anger. When you go into the polling booth, don't vote for the corrupt Congress and don't vote for the communal BJP and their allies. Vote for a clean party, which option we have given you. And that is the Trinamool Congress, whose symbol is flowers and grass, which is a very lovely environmental symbol. There was a statement made by one candidate who said that he had done better in the hospital than most doctors had done earlier. I would request anybody in the public to please visit the government hospitals today. They stink. They literally stink. Every day I get complaints that we cannot stay in this hospital because of the stink. And if that particular candidate who was the health minister or who is the health minister thinks that he is doing a good job, then he doesn't know anything. He should go back to primary education, because at least a hospital should be clean and not smelling, leave alone the misadventures that are taking place in the hospital. A little baby dies, twin brother, the other twin loses the arm. All this is not necessary. This shows tremendous negligence in the health services. And that health minister should have resigned long ago, taken a basin of water, put his head in it and drowned himself.
दक्षिण विभागी के.एस. सुबैया पिल्ले ट्रॉफी वन डे क्रिकेट सर्ती खातीर गोंयांत नेटान तयारी केल्या. ही सर्त आमी जिखतलेच म्हण आसा अशें गोंय पंगडाचो कोच विवेक कोळंबकार म्हणटा. बेंगळुरांत ही सर्त 19 ते 26 मजगतीं जातली. हे सर्ती खातीर गोंयच्या पंगडांत शादाब जकाते आनी सगूण कामत आसा. दुखापतीक लागून हालीं ते पार्टे दोगूय भायर आशिल्ले. ब्रेस्तारा पर्वरी अकादमीच्या ग्राउंडार पुडंटान गोंयच्या पंगडाचे तयारेचेर नजर मारली.
How has this entire pre-tournament shaped up?
It's true. We have played 4 matches so that boys can get ready according to the plans and the way we need to bat or bowl. So the practice matches proved really good for them, and we had 2 days match simulation so that we can concentrate on singles to be taken in the middle overs after the power plays. So it's been good. We are hoping for the best.
What about the bunch of boys that you have? A few seniors coming back in Sagun, Shadab, who've been battling with injury, and a few youngsters like Srinivas Fatte, maybe, who's there, Vidyadhar Kamath, Ganesh Raj Narvekar. So a good mix of players. What do you make of it, and how would you give them a chance, rotate them maybe?
Yeah, it's good to see Sagun and Shadab getting fit because they are the best players we have to play in the one days, and they are experienced, and good to see Shadab talking to the youngsters the way what approach has to be in the one days or in a match situation, and it's nice that we are practicing everything. We are putting this all together in the practice matches, and I think it's a good opportunity for these youngsters like Amok Desai, who has performed very well in these under 19 tournaments, and I think it's a good platform for him to prove his capabilities and his talent.
The Indian national squad, the national team in Australia, is doing a rotation policy with the opening 3 with another few players as well. Would you be looking to do the same thing here by resting a senior every match probably and giving more youngsters than seniors to play?
Well, we are not going there just for participation. We want to win this tournament, and basically, at least for first 3 matches, we'll go with full strength with our experienced players in the team. And let's see how the tournament goes on, and if there's no chances of if I find we don't have any chances to qualify for this tournament, then we might give youngsters a chance. But basically it's we are looking to give them a good experience with these top players like Shadab, Swapnil and Sagun. They can talk to them, be with them, and get to know how they prepare for these one days or in a Ranji Trophy matches. it's basically to give them a good idea what all the high level cricket is all about.
Sagun, you were targeting these one-dayers. You're back for them. How do you feel?
Really happy coming out of injury after a very long time. It's been almost 3 months since I played the last match. And it's going well till now.
How did you assess your batting of what you did today?
I did bat well in this practice matches. We played 4 practice matches. First match I got out on 0, but the third 3 matches I really counted on. Got a 60 last match and I had to retire so that other people get a chance to play. And my batting is shaping up well. So hopefully I'll do well in the coming one days. I've been targeting this one days and hopefully things will go right and everything falls in place.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्यो आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकावंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करात. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकावंटाचेरय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान खबरांची तर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.